guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lorena. In today's video, I will be doing this Hello Kitty balloon garland with light effects. Yes, please like and subscribe. So the balloons that I will be using in this setup are the balloons that I've used for the 65th birthday that I did just recently, and I will link that video below down in the description box. So please check it out, guys, if you are interested how I created that setup, balloons under the table. So yes. The reason why I reuse these balloons because I don't want these balloons to be wasted, especially in this time of pandemic. Supplies are getting low and I need to repurpose or redecorate these balloons by creating another balloon decoration ideas. So yes. By the way guys, if you are new here, welcome guys to my channel. Please subscribe if you want to be part of my YouTube family, and also please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this balloon decoration, or either way, thumbs down, it's really up to you. Yeah. And also guys, please comment down below what country you are watching from. Also, a special shout out to Angelic Decor Accessories from Canada. Yes. Now let's get on to the tutorial. In this setup guys, of all the setup or balloon setup that I did, this is the easiest and fastest way to do a balloon garland. Yes. So just tie the balloons together. Use any strings that you have. Here I used white yarn. What I did here, I just looped the yarn around the balloons as what you've seen in this clip right here. So here we need to connect the balloon clusters to form a balloon garland. So we just need a string to do this. So any strings will do. And also here I need to like put some balloons in between or on the gap of the balloon garland as what you've seen in this clip right here, and add more smaller pieces of the balloons using a double-sided tape to attach the balloons. To add more cuteness of this balloon garland, we need to pump bigger size balloons. Here I use 60 centimeter clear balloon and also 3 matte white balloons that I got it from Kmart, and connect them together and just place the balloon where the base of the balloon garland. Yes. Now we're on the final stage of this setup. Grab your character balloon. Here I used Hello Kitty because Hello Kitty is still popular nowadays. To attach this massive Hello Kitty, we need a heavy-duty Velcro kind of materials. Cut some pieces of the Velcro and place it on the Hello Kitty and then attach it to the curtains. As what I'm doing here, just place the Hello Kitty on the center of the backdrop. Now we're finally done doing this Hello Kitty balloon garland setup, and this is what it looks like on the daytime, and we'll just wait the sun to go down and this setup will transform into a beautiful laser light display. Yes guys. give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also guys, please ring the bell for me so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a beauty related video or a DIY video like this one. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.